In this video, we're going to look at the NutriBullet 1200 watt blender combo. I believe this is their newest model. As you can see, here's everything that comes in the box. This one includes the 1200 watt motor base, a 64 ounce blender pitcher, and vented lid cap. You also get a tamper, a 32 ounce cup, a 24 ounce cup. You've also got to-go lids, easy twist, extractor blade, and then you also get a recipe book. Nice thing about this combo is you can use the 64 ounce blender pitcher or just use the individual NutriBullet cups. The pitcher and the cups are also dishwasher safe. There's also little suction cups on the bottom to keep it from moving around. Now I went ahead and threw in my usual stuff, bananas, strawberries, carrots, spinach, and then filled it up with almond milk. Once you put the base on the cup, it just rotates right on. And then you can use whatever setting you want. Just keep in mind not to blend more than 1 minute straight. Speaking from experience, you can do some damage to pretty much any blender out there if you do that. The extract mode shuts on and off automatically, and then you have to hold down the pulse button and then let off of it to make it stop. The rest of the buttons are pretty straightforward. I will say this thing is pretty loud, but it feels pretty powerful as well. The seals on here seem pretty good, and I think there was only one small piece of carrot in my drink, which is actually pretty good compared to my older 900 watt Ninja that I use pretty much all the time. Real simple to just rinse off everything so that you can use it next time, or just to make sure you get all the little bits off before putting it in the dishwasher. So far, I like what I'm seeing with the 1200 watt blender by NutriBullet. If you're thinking of getting one, this one definitely appears to be a nice upgrade from my older 900 watt Ninja. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.